Hey guys, Super Guy from Final Wars here, and today I got another unboxing video. Sorry, I'm just too excited because I know what's in the box. So let's go ahead and get this over with. Alright, get out of there. Come on. Oh my god, he looks so cool. It's not that bad. Give me a moment. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get him out of this stupid plastic that's surrounding him. There we go. Oh my gosh, he looks cool. So what I got is the Playmates Gigan 2004, baby. Yes, that's right. Gigan finally gets his upgrade. So finally, I will no longer have to use that tiny little bastard that I keep on using in all my videos. No. From now on, say hello to the new and improved Gigan. Finally, I've been kind of been wanting the Bandai for a while, but I figured I came across this guy. He was like around like $22, which was not a bad price to be honest. $22, imagine that. It was not a bad price because like the Bandai cost like only $36. So I was just like, might as well get a cheaper one and save the other half of my money. I need to get another Godzilla figure. So, yeah, say hello to the new and improved Gigan. Yep. And I already know where to put you. Perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.